I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that focuses on 4 different variations of the same rhythm. So the rhythm is going to be 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, 7 and a 8. That kind of thing. It's technically, I would call it a waltz rhythm, but because I'm counting it in 8, you're going to be like, wait, that's not a waltz. It's because it's actually in 6/8. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. We're just holding the last 2, 2, 3 as one note. So 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1. 2, 3. So it's one of my favorite time signatures ever. I'm a big music theory nerd. So 6/8 is absolutely one of my favorite time signatures in the world. But the rhythm that we're going to be doing is triple lick quarter, triple lick quarter. I guess it's dotted quarter, but you know what I mean. So if you're not a music theory person, that's okay. Just ignore everything I just said and know that the rhythm is 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Cool. All right, so it's 4 different steps to create the exact same rhythm. We have, for starters, a buffalo. That is like the quintessential use of that rhythm. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. So you've got 2 buffaloes. Step, shuffle, cross. Step, shuffle, cross. Then, from there, you have step, shuffle, drop your heel, step, shuffle, heel. So then, from buffalo, 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Now my weight is going to stay centered, and it's going to go step, shuffle, heel, step, shuffle, heel. So immediately, you want to center your weight over the leg that you step on. Immediately. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to drop your heel. Step, shuffle, drop, step, shuffle, drop. So let's do buffalo, buffalo, step, shuffle, heel, step, shuffle, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. And you really want to make sure on both the buffalo and the step, shuffle, heel that you're opening that shuffle so that it goes 1 and up. So that it's not 1 and up. You know? It's not with like a fast shuffle. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. So really open that shuffle and be meticulous about this rhythm because the rhythm is the point of the exercise. So let's do it. Buffalo step, step shuffle heel, step shuffle heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6, 7 and 8. Good. Okay, from there, it gets a little harder. It's a little harder. Step 3 count riff, step 3 count riff. So you have to open that 3 count riff so much. Step, brush, scuff, heel, step, brush, scuff, heel. So be very meticulous about opening that brush scuff specifically because a lot of times we go very, very quickly, but it's not quick. 1 and 2, 3 and a 4. So really focus on the rhythm. Step 3 count riff, step 3 count riff. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 3 count riff, step 3 count riff. Good. Make sure you center your weight so that you can drop that heel. Same as with the step before it. One more time, and then we'll try the whole thing so far. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 3 count riff, step 3 count riff. Okay, now make the same rhythm 3 different ways from the top, and then I'll add the last one after that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6, 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Cool, right? All right, let's do that one more time, and then we'll go on to the last one. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 5 and a 6, 7 and 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Good. From here, you have stamp, spank, ball, change, stamp, spank, ball, change. So stamp, spank, ball, stamp is how I'm doing it because I want more of an emphasis, but you can do step, spank, ball, change, step, spank, ball, change, all the same. I just want to put my whole foot on the ground because I like the emphasis. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 4. or 1 and a 2 is what I meant. So let's try that, just that step. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Good. Okay, let's add it to the whole thing. Then I've got some music for us to use. Ready? From Buffaloes. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 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 Fun, right? Okay, let's try it a little bit faster. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4. 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 So fun, right? All right, so seeing as it's the holidays, let me get this right. Seeing as it's the holidays, we'll do it to some holiday music. There is one song I just love. I heard it in one of those like really cheesy Netflix movies. And I had honestly never heard this holiday song before. It's called I Saw Three Ships. And I'm sure some of you that are like holiday music buffs are like, you've never heard I Saw Three Ships? And I'm like, no. I was more into like the holiday pop music and stuff. But like, this song is so cool, and as someone who like really loves like violin and Irish melodies, it has like a very Irish feel to it, I guess. So if you know the origins of this song, please tell me. I would really love to know. All right, ready? Da, 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 da. We'll start slow. Especially since I will stay on this hill forever, but slower is harder. So that really helps you figure out how the rhythm is supposed to go with the song. And now let me turn up the playback speed just a little bit so we can go, honestly, much faster. Let's try this. Da, 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 da. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. All right. It won't turn off. It would not turn off. I don't know why. All right, let's try it much faster. Give ourselves some extra fun. Da, 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 da. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, let's do it one more time. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Also, this is a gorgeous version of the song, and I will have the song information down below. I hope you had so much fun learning this with me today. That slow one was so painful though. Like anybody else, it was so painful. I was like, I didn't realize it was this slow, but it's okay. I hope you had a blast. I love being able to do holiday themed tutorials, especially technique exercises, because it's just an extra fun thing you can bring to class in addition to your like combination that you were gonna bring. Just be like, all right guys, we're gonna do a rhythm exercise and it's to a holiday song, and they'll be like, oh cool. And if you're not a teacher, it just adds more to all the fun of learning tap, you know? You get to learn more holiday stuff. So if you're doing like, oh, I'm gonna do a technique exercise and a choreography exercise, it'll feel like a class. That's literally why I do one of these a week, so that once a week you can take class with me. Just like anybody else that comes to my studio, you basically can have a whole class. I have warm-ups on here, I have technique exercises, I've even got some across the floor stuff, and I've got choreography tutorials. It's just like taking a class with me. So now you can have a full holiday class of like technique exercise and then pick one of my many holiday choreography tutorials and have some fun. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the Tap fam. We have, as I mentioned, lots of technique exercises and choreography tutorials. I even have an entire holiday playlist. Like there's a whole playlist on this channel of just holiday songs, and this is our 4th holiday season on this channel. So that means there is a lot to choose from. So if you're a tap teacher and you're looking for some content to bring to your students, always credit the choreography, but you are welcome to teach your students any of these combinations in class. It's so much fun. And I seek out combinations for ballet because I also teach ballet, but sometimes I get really, really stuck on the same bar combinations all the time. And I'll go to YouTube and I'll look for new combinations from teachers like me who want to share their art, and I'll go, oh my goodness, I never thought about doing that. That is a fun combination, or that's a fun bar exercise. So please feel free to use these in class. Again, always credit choreography, but feel free to use them. And then we have technique exercises like I mentioned. We have step tutorials, so if you are just trying to learn a step, just one step, I have an entire tutorial dedicated to different steps. So yeah, that's in the step tutorial playlist. That is actually in the description of every video I put out, so make sure you check that out as well. We have vlogs and challenges and all kinds of stuff on this channel. So yeah, hopefully you are subscribed, and if you're not, hit that subscribe button because it is the single best way of helping me out and supporting this channel, because the more subscribers I have, the more YouTube allows me to do, which means the longer this channel can be around. I would love to hit that big milestone, the 100,000 one. I'm very far from it, but the more of you that hit that subscribe button, the closer I can get to this goal. So I don't want to do it by like having a reel go viral or a short go viral. I want to do it because organically I have an entire community of tap dancers who want to learn and share their art with me. That is how I want to do it. So subscribe, also hit that thumbs up because it tells YouTube that you love this channel, but also that you love tap dance. And we want YouTube to know that because that helps every channel on this platform. So hit the thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, and also have a wonderful holiday season. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.